We are the most powerful military force in the history of man. Every fight is our fight. Because what happens over here matters over there. We don't get to sit one out. Learning to use the tools of modern warfare is the difference between the prospering of your people and utter destruction. We can't give you freedom, but we can give you the know-how to acquire it. And that, my friends, is worth more than a whole army base of steel. Sure, it matters who's got the biggest stick, but it matters a hell of a lot more who's swinging it. This is a time for heroes, a time for legends. History is written by the victors. Let's get to work.
Get up, Private Al! Rangers lead the way! Move!
Warlord, this is Hunter 2-1, requesting airstrike to grid 252171. Target is a white 12-story apartment building. Over.
Drop some rounds and we'll cross the river.
Hunter 2-1, this is Warlord. Solid copy. I have Devil 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s online. Stand by for relay. Hunter 2-1, this is Devil 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s. Time on station 15 mics, holding at 3 Sierra Northwest. Holding area nice. Carrying 2 J-dams and 2 horns. Over.
On the bridge, 10 o'clock high. Multiple targets, take them out!
Standing by.
Up on the bridge, far side!
Devil 1-1, target is a white 12-story apartment building at grid 252171. I need you to level that building. How copy over? Solid copy, Hunter 2-1. Rolling in now. Target acquired.
Which building is it, sir?
It's that tall one at 1 o'clock.
Hey, which building? The one at 1 o'clock. Hey, Dave, which one is it? Is it the one on the left or the right?
The one on the left.
Hey, isn't this danger close for the task force?
Come on, since when does Shepard care about danger close?
That's what I'm talking about!
All right, we're Oscar Mike! Oh, look, the building's going down! Woo! Big for this one!
Keep dreaming, Spielberg.
Hunter 2, breaking away.
Copy, Hunter 2.
All Hunter 2 victors, keep an eye out for civvies. We're not clear to engage unless they fire first. Scan the rooftops for hostiles. Stay frosty.
You see anything?
I got nothing, dude. This place is dead.
Overlord, Hunter 2-1. We're passing Tunnel Harvey. Cross Street Elizabeth.
Roger that, Hunter 2-1. Proceed with caution.
All right, stay frosty, you guys. This is the Wild West.
Roger that.
Watch those alleys.
Covering.
Mobiles. Balcony, 12 o'clock. Probable militia.
Are they armed?
Negative. They're just watching us.
I bet they're scouting us.
Yeah, but that don't mean we can shoot them.
Can you see him? Can you see him?
I don't see Jack!
All Hunter victors. This is Sergeant Foley. Prepare to engage. We're taking
We're going
sniper
in.
fire from multiple
This is
directions.
it. Speed him up!
We got a ton of contacts front and back.
Here they are! Light them up! There's too many of them! Back up! Back up! Get them out of here! Run!
Hold on, we're getting spread out. RPG, top floor, dead ahead.
Let's go!
Is everyone all right?
They're moving around upstairs.
Get the hell away from those windows and secure the top floor. Move, move. Get a staff thing in there. Target at 12 o'clock. Hunter 2-1 to Hunter 2-3. I have eyes on the school. Over.
2-1, we are combat ineffective here. We are taking heavy fire from the school. Can you assist? Over.
We're on the way. 2-1 out. Squad, on me. Let's go. Gang, target on the staircase. Hunter 2-3. Hunter 2-1. We're in the school. Heavy resistance.
Copy that, Hunter 2-1.
Keep moving. We need to take the heat off of Hunter 2-3. Roger that. Second floor window, left side.
Yeah, I'm cutting through his platform.
Hunter 2-1, this is Hunter 2-3. Thanks for the assist. We're leaving over.
Roger that. Roger that, 2-3.
We got a man down!
I think I saw one run into that classroom.
Clear!
Hunter 2-1 actual to Overlord.
Hunter 2-1 actual, this is Overlord. Send traffic.
The school is secure and hostiles are withdrawing from the area. We're just mopping up now.
Solid copy, Hunter 2-1 actual. Proceed with caution to the rally point. EPWs may still be in the area, over.
Roger that, Overlord. Thanks for the tip. Out. Squad, watch for enemy stragglers. Let's get to that rally point.
Police! Contact here! Come
Shot. Clear.
Use my helicopter. Gentlemen, good work on taking the town. Private Allen, you'll be taking orders from me from now on. I'll brief you on the chopper. Let's go.
Battalion is Oscar Mike!